Yo, what's up, y'all? So what we have here, I'm trying to show you as much as I can. This is a 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan 650. I I won this at a bid at Copart. As I'm showing you this, I'm still trying to assess it. Okay, this was the green. Radiator looks good. I don't know if y'all know it or not, but Copart is open again. Could have been the red. The tires and the rims look good. Does have a battery, which I need to check. What's he doing here? Unless, oh, yeah, I see what they did there. Wow, that's cut. Fuses, what did they do there? Some of this stuff people do. All of this cutting wires, man. At least they ain't cut a lot of them. Most of it I can figure it out and find them. What we got here? Oh, emissions. But they did cut the lock set. Guess they was trying to jimmy rig it. And they cut it over here too. So I'm gonna have to go through these and redo these. That comes here to here, so if I might have to, you never know. But I'm thinking I can fix these. Cause I see they tried to put tape on them. I'm gonna solder them. Yeah, I'll solder them and then put some heat shrink over them. Okay, they drilled these out. I'm gonna have to knock them all the way out. Oh, I might could unscrew them. I feel it underneath. But I got a good price on it, so this is what I'm be doing a little work on soon. I have to search for for parts. It didn't have a gas tank. Missing that screw, but I'm thinking I'm gonna take that one and put there. Came with this sissy ball also. I haven't decided on paint. I know it's gonna get painted. Throttle working good. I know it's gonna get painted. I haven't decided what I'm gonna paint it yet. Gotta think about it. I also gotta look for parts, but it looks like a good bike. From the looks of it, to me, they hit it on this side because I gotta get levers too. They hit it here and end up dropping it. Yeah, that's what it looked like to me. It looked like everything is here though. It ain't no whole lot of bad cut wires, but seems like every time I get something, here's a cut wire, but these ain't that bad, which is good. Do these got a mark? Sometimes they have a mark on them. I'll figure them out. Yeah, I'll figure them out. But yeah, we're gonna do a few videos on this one. Bring it back, make it look nice, make it look pretty good, We'll do the best we can. I don't know what these here is that go here. I'm gonna have to look at a picture or something. And I'm seeing the side case covers right here too. It's dirty, but it looks good. It's dirty, but it does look good, so yeah. Sometimes they have it on the neck. Yeah. There you go. Kawasaki, Thailand. Which color will be on the other side? But also, when I be looking here too. Whatever you do, don't ever get a bike that has the neck broken, or you'd have to change the whole frame. It could be did, but I don't want to do the whole frame because they got to take everything out. Yeah, also, I think I'm going to get the key set first before I get anything else, because I want to be able to turn it on and check to see if I'm going to need a gauge or whatever, you know. And I can tell from once I get the key in there, when I hit it, if it'll start. Alright, y'all. This is going to be coming up soon. 2019 Kawasaki Vulcan. Alright, y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe.